In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint file through Gmail. Let's get started right from your web browser. First, open Gmail and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to send the presentation from. Once you're on the main inbox screen, look for the Compose button. This is usually located on the left-hand side. Click Compose and a new message window will pop up, typically in the lower right corner of the screen. In this new email window, begin by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. This is the person or group you want to share your PowerPoint with. Next, move to the subject line. Type a clear subject, such as presentation, or something that briefly describes the content of your PowerPoint. A clear subject helps your recipient immediately understand what the email is about. Now, click into the main message body and type a short message. You might want to include a brief explanation of what the presentation is for, any key points they should review, or a note about whether they need to provide feedback. Keeping this message polite and clear makes the whole email easier to understand. Once your email text is ready, it's time to attach the PowerPoint file. At the bottom of the Compose window, look for the paperclip icon. This is the Attach Files button. Click it and a file browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders. Find the location where your PowerPoint file is saved. This will usually have a .ppt or .ppx extension. Click on the file to select it, and then click Open. Gmail will start uploading the file, and you'll see its name appear at the bottom of the email. Wait until the upload is completely finished before moving on. If the file is large, this may take a moment, so be patient and watch for the progress to complete. If your PowerPoint is very large and you see a message about using cloud storage instead, Gmail may automatically upload it to cloud storage and insert a link. In that case, your recipient will access it by clicking the link in the email. Once the file is attached and everything in your email looks correct, review the recipient's address and your subject one more time to avoid sending it to the wrong person. When you're happy with everything, click the Send button. That's all you need to do. You've successfully sent a PowerPoint file through Gmail.